Welcome to today's daily combo on Tapcoin. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to head to the tax section and claim your daily rewards. Under dailies, click on daily login and click on claim. Okay, so the next thing is you want to head on to study tab. Okay, on the study tab now we want to claim our daily combo for today. So the very first one is the second card here, which is Ethereum blockchain. So I'm going to click on go ahead, after which I navigate to the terms and jargon section to find the second one, which is NFT. So I'll look for NFT cards. Okay, so this is NFT. I've gotten NFT already, and the last card for today is under blockchain as well, which is Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so I'm going to look for this Bitcoin Cash, which is this very one. It's required that I upgrade BTC to level 17, so I'm going to head up and upgrade this to level 17. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, now I'll be able to have access to Bitcoin Cash, and I click on go ahead. So at the end of it, you see that we have our 3 cards already and we have our reward added to our balance. Alright, so if you find this very helpful, please like, share with your friend, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Alright, thank you and have a wonderful day.